Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. This one that is about x to the power of 3, everything to the power of 2. Because number 3 multiplied by number 2, we have number 6. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x to the power of 3. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 3x squared dx. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change for u. S squared dx we change for this one. The integration of this one, we have 2 over 3 arc sine of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.